Okay, so cultists. Good, hot. Love a good cultist. Is it a horse? That's just a fucking horse. What the... Huh? That's a horse. Leave me alone. I'm playing a horse girl game. Hey, babe. That's a horse. Hey, man. That's a freaky hairdo you got there. You gonna be my friend? Let's relax. Oh, you're being brushed. I think. Maybe. I didn't expect it to be like a horse as well, you know? Like, just look like a horse. Because, like, so far all the animals have been different. But that's stallion locks, okay? Horse I collected from grooming a night stallion, a lively animal found in lush areas of breezy meadow. Wearing the thick fabric made from this material is like being protected by a trusty knight. Okay, well this trusty knight's about to kick me in the head if I don't get out of here fast enough, so... Okay, there we go. Can I have another horsey? I love horsies. You gonna come here? Oh, he's yard shy. I get it, okay. I don't like his little JoJo hairdo though. Get brushed. Can I ride him? It's not even like a pretty horsey. Alright, bye loser. We're going this way again. Let me up. Yeah, I was like, no bike riding in short dress. Bad. It's protecting my modesty, chat. Oh dear god, please no. Oh please. Oh, I have to. Oh, stop it. Oh, what is this? I can't even. Okay. Okay, hear me out. Let's see what this happens. Oh, I'm actually the smartest fucker in the circus. Ayo. Damn. Now that I used all of my noggin points for that one. I'm drained out. I'm proud of that. Damn. I thought those were horses again. Sure have lots of good. What are you talking about? Goods from Stoneville are pouring in. More work for me. The unique dyed fabrics are brightly coloured, but they stain my clothes every time I move. No way. Spindle's Dyeing Workshop is known for producing high quality what? Fabrics. The ones you moved weren't knockoffs, were they? Probably. I locked in. I'm not gonna hit my bike on fantasy panties. This game isn't logical. Exactly. What's the point of getting on a bike if I can't see a little, you know, something to make me happy? Alright, give me that. Now, I need water actually. I gotta pour some tea. Do you guys want tea pouring ASMR? You might get it because I don't know how to do this without getting it right in your ear. Oh god. Okay. It's strawberries and cream tea with lavender honey. I'm gonna have a sippy. Hi. My sound bloods work. Hi, welcome. Sorry, I love this song. Welcome in. How was stream? How'd you go? How do you feel? You're rocking it? You're living? Remember to have breaks and relax. Relaxing is very important. Wait, I'm gonna move you closer. Hi. I am normally very loud. This is new for me. I'm having a quiet day because my throat's dying.